Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Monday, February 17th. I am Tejal Hode. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sumran Masterbatch Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices rose last Friday on revival of investor sentiments surrounding the concerns related to the deadly coronavirus outbreak in China. Brent crude futures gained by 98 cents, settling at $57.32 per barrel, while WTI crude futures rose by 63 cents, settling at $52.05 per barrel. According to Andanahari of Fanta Insights, crude futures were drifting lower early Monday in Asia, unable to catch an upward momentum after last week's modest recovery, which saw a cumulative price rise of about 8% in Brent and 5% in WTI over 4 straight days of gains. Last Friday, open spec naphtha prices declined by $8 per metric ton to the $496 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, ethylene prices witnessed a steep drop in Asia. Prices plunged as demand trends continued to remain bearish in China, following the outbreak of deadly coronavirus. The price fall was further supported by the persistent weaker downstream PA demand and pricing trends. Despite a week-on-week gain in upstream energy values and limited product avails, propylene prices drifted sharply lower in Asia last week. The steep price fall was triggered by persistent sluggish demand trends in major markets like China. Last week, SM prices slipped sharply in Asia. The price drop was a result of weaker upstream benzene rates coupled with persistent dull demand trends in key markets like China. Let's take a look at futures on China Italian Commodity Exchange for today. On February 17, 2020, LLDPE prices are up by 5 RMB per metric ton at 6,825 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are higher by 2 RMB per metric ton at 6,856 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are lower by 15 RMB per metric ton at 6,305 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Shandong Shenqi Chemical China has planned to restart its 200,000 metric ton per year number 1 propylene unit following a turnaround by last week of February 2020. The plant was shut for maintenance around January 10, 2020. Our special news today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sumran Masterbatch Private Limited, a manufacturer, wholesaler and distributor of color master batches, PE master batches, low film master batches, color granules, lamination, multi-layer lamination, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, February 17th. I am Tejal Hode. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.